Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I'm going to be traveling for a little while, so I'll be packing up my DOP kit. Right here, my Shave Nation DOP kit. It's big. It's probably, I think it's the biggest DOP kit I've ever seen, but we sell these and much smaller ones as well. This is my fave because I like to pack it up and put a lot of stuff in here. So I'm in the process of gathering everything for the trip. I'm going to take travel razor, another travel razor, a travel brush. This is the type that breaks down. You remove the top rim and you screw it onto the cylinder and then you screw the brush in. Voila, instant travel brush. This one's by Edwin Jagger, but we have these in different brands. That's one type. If you want to just take your regular everyday shaving brush, say your Simpsons Trafalgar T1-T2 or T3, you will need something to put it in to protect it, which is why we have these cylinders right here. And Bono is going to help me hold them up. This is Bono's book, Surrender. You know Bono from U2. This is a book that I plan on reading while I'm away. So within a day or two, I'll have this book done and I can tell you if it's any good. But here are the cylinders. They're made by Simpsons. We carry all three of them: small, large, extra large. I'll show you a quick example of what fits what. Here we go. This is the small. By the way, it has drainage holes, 3 rectangular drainage holes and 1 dot in the middle. So when you put your brush in there, if it's a little bit damp, it can drain out and it can dry. I still recommend letting it dry in free air, say overnight, and then putting it back in there. If you really want to take care of your brush, let it dry thoroughly in free air before you put it inside here. Just being extra precautious, probably a good policy. To use it, just unscrew the cap. This is the small cylinder. This will fit Simpsons case, whether it be best or super. Boom, fits right in there. Cap goes back on, you're good to go. It actually looks like the Trafalgar T1 would fit in the small travel tube, but it does not fit all the way. The bristles still protrude a bit. If you put the cover on, you'll be damaging the bristles. So that's a no-go. You got to step it up, go from the small to the large, which is right here. And it's a little bit bigger probably than you'd want it to be, but it fits in there, and then you cover it up and you're good to go. So this is the large size. T1. T2 fits as well. T2 fits in the large as well. Now let's try the T3. Does the T3 fit into the large? Yes, the T3 fits into the large. Chubby 1, Super or Best Badger, does not fit into the small. No go. The same brush, Chubby 1, Super or Best Badger, goes into the large. Simpsons Chubby 2, Super or Best, also fits in the large. If you're going up to the Chubby 3, you will need to go with the extra large size tube. I don't have one here, but trust me, the extra large tube accepts the Simpsons Chubby 3 in Best or Super. And they also accept many other brushes, but this gives you at least a decent example. So if you own any of those brushes, you can do a comparison. You'll know what case to get to fit your brush. Don't know why you would want to, but just for the fun of it, the Shave Nation travel tube for the Arco travel stick right there. We sell these empty and loaded with the stick. It fits into the extra large if you wanted to do that for any reason. Just so you know, save space, it fits inside there. If you want to pick up any of these travel tubes or any of these brushes, just go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. And thank you, Bono, for the assist. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.